NetSuite is a cloud-based ERP software, so there's no need to install it locally on your device. Instead, you can access NetSuite through a web browser. Here's how to set up and start using NetSuite. Purchase a subscription. Contact NetSuite or a NetSuite partner to purchase a subscription that fits your business needs. They will provide you with login credentials. Access NetSuite. Open a web browser and go to the NetSuite login page. Enter your provided login credentials. Initial setup. Setup wizards. NetSuite may guide you through initial setup wizards to configure basic settings such as company information, currency, tax settings, and fiscal year. User roles. Define user roles and permissions to ensure the right access levels for different users within your organization. Customization. Dashboards. Customize your dashboards to display the most relevant information for your business operations. Modules and features. Enable and configure modules and features that are relevant to your business, such as accounting, CRM, inventory management, and e-commerce. Data migration. Import your existing data into NetSuite. This could include customer information, inventory lists, and financial data. Use CSV files or integration tools provided by NetSuite for this process. Training and support. Take advantage of NetSuite's training resources, such as tutorials and webinars, to get familiar with the system. Reach out to NetSuite support for any issues or questions.